Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the AstroAI L7 portable tire inflator with digital dual values display. Your convenient, all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product, the AstroAI L7 tire inflator includes updated sensor technology capable of collecting pressure data from tire inflators at a frequency of 200 times per second. Its valid data rate is higher than 80%, which is 60% better than the market average. Wherever you go, accurate readings help you drive safely. You can choose 4+ smart modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom, based on your various inflation needs. You can also easily choose between 4 pressure units as needed: PSI, bar, kilopascals, kilograms per square centimeter. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the AstroAI L7 quick connector, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, air nozzles, user manual, product description, quick connector port, Type-C charging port, inflation modes, real-time pressure, battery level display, preset pressure value, LED flashlight button, minus button, settings button, LED light, hose storage port, USB output port, pressure units, light icon, input charging icon, output charging icon, plus button, power button. How to use. Press and hold the power button for 1.5 seconds to turn on the product. Then press the settings button to switch between the 5 inflation modes: cars, motorcycles, bicycles, basketballs, and custom mode. Press and hold the settings button to switch units between PSI, bar, kilopascals, and kilograms per square centimeter. Next, screw the quick connector onto the quick connector port of the product. Remove the valve cap from the tire valve stem and attach the quick connector to the valve stem. When the quick connector is connected to the inflatables and powered on, the screen will display the inflatable's real-time pressure value. Press the power button to start inflating. The digital screen will display the tire's real-time pressure value. The air pump will automatically stop inflating when it reaches the preset pressure value. Then disconnect the connector from the car tire. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.